We will use this setup to find out whether the total momentum and the total kinetic energy of the two colliding trolleys with Velcro attachments are conserved. Measure the mass of one of the trolleys using an electronic balance. Measure the mass of another trolley. Measure the mass of 1 and 2 mass bars in turn. Place trolleys A and B on the horizontal runway, with the Velcro attachment on the two trolleys facing each other. Start recording data. Give trolley A momentary sharp push so that it collides with stationary trolley B. The trolleys should stick together after collision. Read the velocity of trolley A just before and after collision from the VT graph of trolley A. Using these values, calculate the total momentum and the total kinetic energy of the two trolleys before and after the collision. Are they conserved? Repeat the experiment by adding 1 and 2 mass bars to trolley A in turn to change the mass of trolley A. Are the total momentum and the total kinetic energy of the two trolleys conserved in the collisions?